Hello guys, today date is 14th January, time is 9:19 am. I have shorted 100 quantity ICICI Bank at price of 556.25. So here you can see after the up move it did yesterday, the market is now making white candles. I will exit this trade if it breaks 557.50. Let's see what happens guys. It may hit my stop loss as it has made a bullish pin bar, so it may go above the price of 557.50. So I have no problem with that. I will exit if it breaks that level, and it is now breaking above it. Okay guys, so I have closed my position. It is spiking up. Now I am waiting. Here you can see I have got a loss of 200 rupees, and just now I have shorted Tata Steel at an average of 70.5.65 in 50 quantities. Here you can see it has made a bearish pin bar on the first 5-minute candle, and now it is trying to go down. That's why I have shorted this stock. Let's see what happens. I have to recover the loss which ICICI Bank has given me in my first trade. So first I will go for recovering the loss, and now down move has started in Tata Steel. I'm expecting it to fall till 702.50. There I will exit my position. It will be a scalp trade only. I will not hold this position for a long time. Let's see. I am waiting. Today is Uttarayan, so some noise of sounds is going on as people are flying kites on their terrace. Here I have closed the position in Tata Steel, and now I have reduced my loss to 110 rupees, and now here you can see I have bought a 14,400 PE in Nifty. I will show you the reason of buying put. So here you can see Nifty has given rejection from upper level, and it is making a bearish pin bar. That's why I have shorted this, because today Nifty opened with a gap down, and now it is getting rejection from upper level. So I am expecting a small dip here in Nifty. Let's see what happens. I will exit this trade near 14,525 level only, because it is trading above the trend line. Here you can see the trend line, but a dip should come. Let's see what happens with my put option which I have bought. First I have to recover the loss, so I am waiting for it. The time is 9:28 am. Put option is trading currently at 6 rupees. I have bought it at 5 rupees 55 paisa. My target is in this put option is 7 rupees 80 paisa. Thus now it is touching 7 rupees, 720, 715, and you can see I have recovered the loss which ICICI Bank, which I made in ICICI. Now I am in at almost at break even. Let's see my target hits in put option or not. We have to be very quick in buying options, because the premium on expiry days falls very fast, so we should not hold this position for a long time. So here you can see my target is done at 7.80. Guys, here you can see I have shorted 150 quantities in ICICI at 555.35. Here you can see, I will show you on the chart the reason of this trade. So here you can see ICICI Bank has got rejection from higher level and it has made pin bars, dual pin bars it has made, and it is getting rejected from the upper side levels. So it should dip, it should give a dip. Let's see. I have shorted this time 150 quantities. My target will be around 554 and 553. Now I am running in loss of 50-60 rupees. Let's see what happens. Currently ICICI Bank is trading at cost price only. I'm expecting a nice dip in this stock. Let's see. Now you can see, guys, ICICI Bank has started to go down and now I am in a profit of around 200 rupees. I have closed 50 quantity. Now I am holding 100 quantities. I have placed target of 553.60 for 50 quantities. Here you can see my order book. You can see a nice white candle in ICICI Bank. Guys, you can see I have covered profit of around 400 rupees. I took a trade in Nifty put 14,400, in which I made some more profit. I was not able to record the trade, and now I have 50 quantities left in ICICI Bank. The time is 10:52 a.m. Now I have covered the position in ICICI Bank also, and now I am in profit. Guys, you can see I have traded 14,400 put option, and now I have covered a profit of around 800 rupees, and I have booked ICICI position at 552.30. Guys, time is 3:23 p.m. and I have booked a total profit of 1,067 rupees. I traded in Bank Nifty option also today.